Let's see what we have here today, bro. They say idiots in cars, road rage, bad drivers. Yo, I did not even finish to talk, bro. Like, was this driver not seeing? Yo, bro. See a drifted car in front of me on a snow day, and I could not avoid hitting it hard. Yo, this is the problem with the snow day, bro. The snow is very dangerous, bro. Especially if you have a summer tire, not a winter tire, bro. So, yo, if this is your first time to be on my YouTube channel, bro, you can hit the subscribe button because I'm trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers right now, bro. So that you already know, getting to the 1,000 subscribers is not easy, bro. It's very, very kind of hard because I have been talking to you guys, pleading to you guys to please subscribe, but yo, people are not subscribing, bro. And that's hurt so much, bro. I'm not gonna lie because I want to get to the 1,000 subscribers, you know. Yeah, so let's keep going.
Liens, levies, and all or years of unpaid taxes. Even if you're already in a payment plan, we can help. Through special IRS programs, you may qualify to have your tax debt settled for a fraction.
Yo, bro, like, what was the reason?
Oh,
Yo, see, a driver turned in front of me and caused an accident. They had no insurance and received ticket for failure to yield and no insurance. Yeah, that was so bad. Yo, let's see what is going to happen next.
damn son of a bitch!
Oh, oh, oh. Shit, bro, like, what the hell? Why could somebody be waving on the road like that, bro? Yo, bro, you are not a bad weather, bro, to be waving like that. You are not a sea, you know. You keep waving like you got some. And yo, he run away? Nah, man. What the hell?
Are you okay?
The
Whoa! You f***ing motherfucker! Get the fuck out!
The people shouted.
Oh,
For the
somebody was
Lord
trying
has
to run the
given
red
you the
light.
city. Now in verse 20. So the people shouted, and the priest blew.
Fucking idiot.
17 Super Duties in stock right here, right now.
And talk about a deal. New 16 Ford F-150 XLT.
That's what you call instant karma.
Yo, something bad just happened here, bro. What the hell? Another hit and run, bro.
¡Con el bebé, pelotudo! ¿Qué encerrás, porro? Concha de tu madre.
Yo, nah, bro. But like, what was the reason? Why was he checking, like, trying to go in front and not going? Yo, they say Cadillac tried to run over a truck and blamed the truck driver for running a red light. My dash cam footage proof otherwise, and the officer ticket. The officer ticked the Cadillac driver for an improper lane change. Okay, yo, that is what we call instant scammer, bro. Like, you look for it, you have it. They give it to you, bro. He's supposed to be thankful to God because he's still alive and the car was not that damaged, bro. Yo, what the hell? Yo, look at the way that guy was overspeeding, bro. Look at the way that guy was overspeeding. When they tell drivers stop overspeeding, police pull them over, they think that the police is the enemy. But they do not know that they are the enemy of their own progress, bro. Look at the way that car fly up, bro. It's a car crash occur on 1_495 in Maryland while I was driving around 6 mph, bro. Yo, that's it. We pray to God, like, let him be safe and whosoever is with him, you know. Where's this driver trying to go, bro? like, this one must be drunk. Oh, another one. Another one. Huh. Okay. Instant karma. See, that accidentally rammed his friend brand new car with a brand new golf car. Yeah, I think your dad is kinda zigzag. Because how could you be running like that? What was the reason? Yo, was this driver not seeing, bro? Huh.
What are you doing?
He's playing
You
music, bro.
fucking idiot. Jesus Christ. Like, don't look at all. Just pull right out in front of people. You fucking monkey.
Shit. Another one, bro.
Oh, you totally fucking hit that guy.
Yo. What the hell? What was the reason? Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Some people got attitude, bro. Some people do got attitude, bro. Bad one also. Bad attitude, bro. Yo, do you wanna fight? Oh, 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 oh.
Is your mic okay? No, you're good. Thanks.
Yo, this bike rider is a very good man. He is a very good one, bro. Like, this is the type of people we need in society, bro. This is the type of people. Not all of these other bike riders that are trying to take the phone from you, bro. Yo, what up, YouTube? What's up, everybody that watched this video till the end, bro? So, If you like my content, you feel like it's informative, bro, you can hit the subscribe button. Like I said, you can follow my Facebook because I post on Facebook too. Yeah, so you can follow my Facebook. So thanks for watching till the end. I appreciate that.